And I would say that's good advice for anybody who wants to do better with problem solving. What already exists in writing, whether you're talking a manual or you're talking a how-to guide or you're talking a process map, or even like internal policy documents.
Hmm.
There are so many things that have potentially already been written down that you can go to. And of course, we all have Google.
Yeah.
So even Googling the product or the problem or the goal, whatever it is, I find a consistent issue with people just not using their resources. And I don't know if it's because they don't know what resources exist, or maybe that's just not being talked about enough, but I consistently try to teach people to use their resources.
With our stuff, we've got drawing numbers, we've got part numbers, there's policy, and there's keywords that you can use, and there's specific identifiers, but it's a it can be taught, but it's also just a learned thing
Hmm.
of process and elimination of what do I need to search for. And I think that, I remember it may have been seventh or eighth grade. I was in a technology class like that, and this was still, fairly early on with the internet, but it was there. And at that point, we still even had databases for the library and stuff that you could search. But we actually had a small crash course, I guess you could call it, on how to search
Mm.
this or that, and then using parentheses, using asterisks for like for part numbers. Specifically for us, you can use an asterisk when you don't have the full part. It'll pull up anything that's it's a wild card, right? So you
Hmm.
can give this portion of the part number star asterisk, and it'll give you all the ones that have that plus the extra. So it's just little things that maybe not everybody